Hi, are you looking for detailed information about the revised curriculum for grade 10 science? Then you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to do a detailed comparison between the original and the revised curriculum. What I have done is I have taken the original curriculum and I have highlighted the portion which has been deleted. So that will give you a clear understanding of what was original and what is revised. And I'll be doing this in a pretty fast pace, so please feel free to pause the video so that you can read through the portion in more detail. And at the end of it, if you feel this video to be informative, please feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Unit 1, Chemical Substances. Certain portions have been deleted from metal and non-metals and carbon compounds. Unit 2, World of Living. Portion have been deleted from control and coordination in animal and plants and heredity and evolution. Unit 3, Natural Phenomena. Functioning of a lens in human eye, applications of spherical mirrors and lenses have been deleted. Unit 4, Effects of Current. Electric generator, direct current, alternating current, electrical circuits have been deleted from this unit. Unit 5, Natural Resources. Sources of energy, entire section has been deleted. Practicals. 1A. Finding the pH using pH paper has been deleted. Experiment number 2 and 3, no changes. Experiment number 5, 6, 8 and 9 has been deleted. Experiments 14 and 15 have been deleted. So out of 15 experiments, 7 has been deleted. Internal assessments. Management of natural resources is no longer in the curriculum. So overall assessment is of 100 marks, out of which 80 marks is for the theory exam and 20 marks for internal assessments. This shows you the breakup of marks against each of the chapters. So there are total 5 units, 80 marks for the exam, internal assessments 20 marks and grand total 100. If you enjoyed this video and if you like this information, please feel free to share and subscribe. Thank you.